Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Now here from Crochet Essentials. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to make this nice lacy stitch. It is a 2-row repeat using double crochet throughout. It is a very nice airy pattern that you can use for summer tops or even a blanket depending on the weight of the yarn you use. I already have a pattern using this stitch. Click the link below on the description to check it out. So for this to work you need multiples of 3 plus 4. On this swatch I used a DK weight yarn, but you are welcome to use any weight yarn that you might have in your stash. All right, let's begin our tutorial. For this tutorial I'm using a DK weight yarn, that's weight number 3 yarn, so it's fairly light, and then I have a 4mm hook, which is I think, oh yeah, G. Okay, so we are going to start with a slip knot, and then we are going to chain 19. So we are going to have 15, which is multiples of 3 plus 4. I'm just going to count. I like to just double check in case sometimes you miss a count. Okay, so I've got 19 chains. Next, I am going to make a V-stitch on the 5th chain. So we are going to skip the first 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the 5th chain we are going to make a V-stitch. A V-stitch is comprised of a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet on the same chain or stitch. Like if you look at it, it makes a V, hence the V-stitch. Next we are going to skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and then on the 3rd chain we make a V stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then we are going to skip 2 chains and then make a V stitch. Skip 2 chains and then a V stitch on the next chain. Skip 2 chains and then on the 3rd make a V stitch. And we are left with 2 chains, and we are going to make a single double crochet on the last chain. Right, and this is our first row. We are getting into the second row. We are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn our work, and we are going to work 3 double crochets in the chain 1 space here. First double crochet, second double crochet, and third double crochet, and we are going to repeat in all the V stitches. So got the third double crochet, gonna do the same on the next one, and make another one, make 3 double crochet on the chain 1 space from our V-stitch below, and then we are going to make a double crochet on the very first, like the 3 chains that we had. Okay, we are done with row 2. This is how our sample looks like. Excuse me. We're going to move on the next row. We're going to chain 3, and this counts as a stitch. So when you come to the end of the 4th row, you are going to work into the top chain here. Okay, next we are going to skip the first double crochet, and then we are making a V-stitch on the middle double crochet. Remember, we have 1, 2, 3 double crochets, so you're going to make a V-stitch on the middle stitch. V-stitch, chain 1, so double crochet, chain 1, double crochet on the same stitch. Then we have our V-stitch. Then we are going to skip these 2, and then we make a V-stitch on the third stitch, which, okay, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. So you are going to make your V stitches in the middle stitches of the 3 double crochet. I hope that makes sense. So remember, we have 1, 2, 3, and we are going to make our V stitch on the one in the middle. I'm going to make another V stitch, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet on the middle stitch. And then we make double crochet on the very top chain. And this is how it looks so far. And then in the next row we are going to do the same. So I'm going to do one more row with you guys. 1, 2, 3. You chain 3 and then turn your work, and then we are going to work 3 double crochets on the yarn over on the chain 1 space. Well, first double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet. Gonna do that again. 3 double crochet on the chain 1 space. All right, and this is it, guys. You just keep doing the 2 row repeats. You can make a scarf, you can make a blanket. You can also check out the top that I designed using this stitch as well in the description. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Give this a thumbs up if you like it or if you found it helpful, and I'll see you on the next stitch tutorial.